Welcome to the 30-Day Pivot, unlocking your first $1,000 online. This video is about transforming abstract goals into concrete, measurable success in just 1 month. The digital world offers massive opportunity, but many get paralyzed. This usually happens in 2 ways: passive consumption or getting stuck in tutorial hell, endlessly learning without taking action. Making your first dollar is not about complexity. The myth is that you need perfect websites or massive operations. The truth is, it's about building momentum, not waiting for the perfect moment. Escaping the amateur trap requires a 4-part paradigm shift. We will move from abstract goals to the micro milestone, and from passive consumption to daily messy execution, the backbone. We will also focus on a streamlined ecosystem and organic momentum. Replace abstract ambitions, like wanting to quit your job, with a 30-day sandbox focused on achieving your first $1,000. Cracking this first grand proves the system works, making scaling a matter of math, not mystery. Clarity only comes after action, never before it. Messy, imperfect action today is worth infinitely more than a flawless strategy that stays on a notepad forever. Grow a backbone through messy execution. Procrastination is often disguised as productivity. Technical overwhelm with funnel builders and software causes beginners to quit. The reality is, you just need a singular, high-converting pathway. Problem to proven funnel, pathway to solution. You don't need the whole world to know who you are. Forget the imposter trap. Meaningful money doesn't require millions of followers. Target organic momentum by solving a specific problem for a specific pocket of the internet, leveraging algorithmic waves for visibility. 30 days are going to pass anyway. The divergence is between staying on the sidelines, just wishing things were different, or entering the arena to build your first $1,000 foundation. Your willingness to execute is the only remaining variable. Stop planning and start executing. You can join the 30-day challenge to bypass tutorial hell, deploy a streamlined ecosystem, and utilize a system that uses AI to sell for you. Step into the arena and rewrite your financial momentum.